The cable's going, guys, the cable.
Wow!
Look at these rivers of molten lava that destroy everything in their path, wiping out homes and livelihoods. This occurred in La Palma, Spain, as a powerful reminder of nature's uncontrollable force.
The lava flow here.
You can see that the telephone pole we were at, 15.3, is now beginning to burn. It's now 16:49, 6 minutes to 2.
Check out this powerful earthquake.
ببین چی جوری داره میبرش. وای.
Watch as the cars slowly slide down, caught in the path of the landslide. Hawaii's Kilauea volcano erupted, with glowing lava flows bursting from one of its craters, demonstrating the raw power of nature in the United States.
Oh, já foi ela. Esse já era. Ali, ó. Esse tchau.
A powerful tornado touched down in Texas as severe storms swept across the state.
Idiot! Oh my god! Here, come inside! We need to lock the door! Get inside. Oh my god!
This bridge was completely destroyed by floodwaters in India.
God, that's going at it, kid. Oh my god!
Dude,
That's not
I guarantee that place is rocking. Oh my god, here we go.
This man captured breathtaking footage from an airplane, showing the moon's shadow racing across the Earth during a total solar eclipse. An awe-inspiring moment in the sky.
Only in a plane. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Here we go. Oh my god, it's coming right over us like a storm. Look at this. Oh my god, we're getting close. It's getting close. Don't build the oh my god, Corona. There it is. Diamond Belly's beads. Belly's beads, diamond ring. Look at that. Corona. Totality. Totality.
Look at this dangerous squid. It has one of the sharpest beaks in the animal kingdom, effortlessly slicing through objects like a Pepsi can.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Do it again! Do it again! Do it again! One more time. One more time. He's mean.
Oh my God.
Something's on fire!
बच गए नजारा ये देखिए
Look at this incredible footage of ice breaking away from Lake Michigan after a deep freeze, creating a stunning display of nature's power. Massive trees falling captured on camera, creating an unforgettable moment. This terrifying stone flood occurred in the Philippines, creating a dramatic and unsettling scene.
Putain de bug. Legit. Putain.
When the sky chose a side, clear blue on one, clouds on the other. A stunning sight. What's happening here? The bird squad's taking over the skies. Looks like they're all in full flight mode today.
Oh my God, they better get up or they're gonna hit the power lines. Holy fuck! That'll give you chills. Oh my God.
A dangerous fire tornado, spinning uncontrollably with flames raging high.
Literally a hailstorm. Are we okay? Is there any anything above us?
I don't know. I told you a piece of my ceiling came out.
Oh my god.
Look at the.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, and then I forgot. Look at this.
We might want to stand back a little bit from the window. Because these are getting pretty big. Oh, these are beyond baseball size.
This is absolutely incredible.
Look at that damn wind, cuz. Woo!
It's hard to believe this ship weighs 230,000 tons, yet the wind pushed it so effortlessly.
10 foot. Oh! Oh! Kissing it. Kissing it. Oh! Connection, baby.
Nothing truly compared the sheer power of water.
It's like right in front of us. Oh my god.
Dangerous Typhoon Carthon is wreaking havoc on the island of Taiwan, bringing terrifying floods and heavy rainfall. This is a swimming pool during the earthquake in Turkey, with the water shaking and sloshing from the powerful tremors. Look at this monstrous tornado tearing through the town, ripping apart everything in its path, as debris fills the sky and chaos erupts at every turn. massive rocks crash into a river in India, destroying a bridge in seconds.
Getting real windy in just a second. Asi glupa, rako da... Aiuto, 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 aiuto. Scappa, lascia la macchina. Il fiume è uscito il fiume. Disastro. Disastro, disastro. Non c'è più nulla da fare. Porta via tutto, tutto e tutti. Questo è quello che vedi. Gente che cade. Pullman da solo viene ad aiutare.
Holy sh**. Look at that. Oh,
Holy! Oh my god.
oh guys, we're gonna get some. Whoa! Get out of here!
Back it up, back it up, back.
داداش برو تا میتونی برو داداش برو
حسن که دارون باشی
ریزشه بچه‌ها برو داداش این جاده رو میگیره عجب چیزی بود هنوز داره میاد نگاه کنید وای الان اینایی که پایین رودخونه‌ن دارن فرار میکنن
Ё-моё, страшно. Все, канал, блядь. Я твою мать. Ой, кошмар какой-то. Это кошмар. Финал упал.
Absolutely shat myself.
Just look at how quickly this storm flipped the bus. The sheer speed of nature's fury is nothing short of astonishing. In this CCTV footage, you can see a dangerous flood sweep through a goat farm in just a matter of seconds. Thankfully, the goats managed to escape unharmed.
It's like right in front of. Oh my god. There is a freaking tornado out. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, there goes the trampoline.
This hailstone is so dangerous and huge. Of Taiwan, bringing terrifying floods and heavy rainfall. Landslide in Norway has swept houses into the sea, causing significant destruction. Though an avalanche moves slowly, it can destroy everything in its path. A rock slide tumbling from a great height presents a truly terrifying spectacle.
देखिए कितना भयानक मंजर ये देखिए कितना भयानक मंजर लाइव हुआ है देखिए बहुत भयानक मंजर अब क्या हो जाए कुछ पता नहीं है
Dat was enorm dicht.
Waar was dat? Dat was hierin. Mensen lopen er komen weg.
This storm is so powerful that it overturned massive tankers in just a matter of seconds.
Oh my god! Oh, amazing!
Oh my god! Look at this run! Oh! Oh my god! Holy!
This lava flow is truly mesmerizing and absolutely stunning. This is absolutely incredible. This person discovered a peculiar rock that appears This is a mud volcano, always bubbling and shifting with constant movement. That is so satisfying. A lenticular cloud was spotted over a mountain in Spain, remaining completely still for 24 hours.
Yeah.
In Pakistan, a massive glacier crashes down from the mountain peak, creating a breathtaking sight.
Falga mucho, 10 mo kilo.